If you're running your agency out of Gmail, spreadsheets, sticky notes, or whatever happens to be floating around in your head, there's a really good chance you have money sitting in your pipeline right now that you've completely forgotten about. And it's not because the leads were bad, not because they weren't interested, but probably because life got busy and nobody followed up. In this video, I'm going to show you how Claude found 47 open opportunities inside my GoHighLevel account in about 11 seconds. Then it wrote personalized follow-up messages to each and every one of those people. No cleanup, no extra spreadsheets or anything like that, and no spending a weekend organizing my CRM. So here's who this video is really for. You're doing somewhere between 8 and maybe 25,000 bucks a month. You've got clients, you've got conversations happening all the time, but every morning starts the same way. You open your Gmail, you open your notes, you search through all of the old DMs that you have, you try to remember, who was I supposed to follow up with today? Who's the person that asked for a proposal? Who said they'd get back to me? And by the time you figure it out, 45 minutes are gone. And the craziest part, the research shows most leads aren't lost because they weren't interested. It's because nobody follows up with them. Of course, it's not intentional. It's just because there wasn't a system. So every month you're generating leads, but you're also leaking revenue through tiny cracks that you can't even see. And if you ever started a GoHighLevel trial and quit halfway through, this is probably exactly where you are. In fact, here's what I used to think. I used to think I need to get organized before I build a system, and that was completely backwards. Because the truth is, you don't clean up before you buy a trash can. The system is what cleans up the mess, right? And this is exactly where Claude changes everything. Instead of manually digging through contacts, Claude can connect directly to GoHighLevel through what we call MCP. Now, if you're unfamiliar what MCP means, think of it this way. When you type into your favorite AI tool that's out there, you write a command. That command can only be answered in text unless you have this thing called MCP. It's a model context protocol, and all that it means is it's a tool, right? It's a toolbox that a software product created so that when you type into AI, it goes to that toolbox and then it can unlock all those tools and use the software that it's connected to. So in this case, GoHighLevel built an MCP, Model Context Protocol. So think of MCP as a toolbox that's behind you, and every time that you want something done in GoHighLevel, instead of having to go in there manually and do all the commands, you can just create a key with a location ID. So your GoHighLevel location ID has its own number, unique, and then you get a key. So GoHighLevel will create a key. So you take the key and the location ID and you put it into your AI tool with a prompt that says, hey, I want you to be able to access my GoHighLevel and do things for me, right? So that's all MCP is. It's just when you put in the code, giving you access, your AI tool access to the software tool of itself, right? So I have flowchat.com is another software that I run and own. I have my own MCPs for that tool as well. GoHighLevel has their own MCP too. So all we got to do is hook up our MCP, and then guess what it can do? It can read all your opportunities. It can read every conversation, it can read every note, it can read every task, it can look at all the history of all the tags, it can do everything inside your GoHighLevel just from you writing a prompt. So instead of you having to know what stage or what page to go to, you can just say, hey, do this, get this, pull this data, give it to me, I want you to do this, and it will execute for you. And one of the best things that it can do is it can actually surface details for deals that exist inside your system. Because real talk, the goal isn't more leads, the goal is recovering the leads that you already paid for or you already did the work to collect, right? So let's dive in and I'll show you exactly what I did. Okay, so here I am on my dashboard of GoHighLevel. So I am logged in so I can see what's happening. Next thing is I have this easy doc that I built for you. Of course, that more to that on this in a second where you can get this. But basically, if you don't have a GoHighLevel account yet, you need to click here and get one. This will take you to the free trial to sign up here. You can get a free account. It's very simple to do that. Once you get an account, then we can connect what you're about to do here and just kind of walk through this is we're going to connect your Claude Code. So as long as you have Claude Code, you can go right here to this link and pick up Claude Code. It's free, but in order to set up the MCP, you need the $20 paid version of this. Then we're going to use this command right here as your first prompt. You just need to get your private integration token. So the private integration token is what I was telling you, right? So you have your location ID of where your GoHighLevel is at. and then you have your private integration token, which is the key, and you put those two things into the prompt and you add it into your terminal. By the way, if you don't have any idea on how to do this, you can just watch this other YouTube video here and it'll walk you through exactly setting that up. Very simple to do, and then you'll have access to HighLevel from your MCP. So here's the prompt. So let's go ahead and do this. So to get started, again, I have a MacBook, so I hit Command Paste and I type in terminal and hit open. So now my terminal is open here, right? So this is the one where I'm gonna do. So now I already have Claude Code installed, so I already went through those first steps. So all I do is I say Claude. So up comes Claude, and then in order to connect it to my paid version, I just have to hit login, boom. And then it'll take me to a web browser and I hit authorize, and that's it. Now I have Claude Code login successful, and I'm actually ready to use this with my prompts, okay? So now we have this. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this first prompt in, right? So I'm gonna hit copy. I'm gonna come up here and we're just gonna type that in, paste, paste. So there's my prompt and I hit enter. And there we go, look at this, this is crazy. I put this in from the last week, still opener one, let me fetch it, it ripped through. And here in 11 seconds, it found 77 opportunities not touched in the last week that I wouldn't have been able to pull out. And it went through and it listed every single one of these contacts here that you can see, which is fantastic. So this is the first prompt. It got the people that I need to speak with. Then it gave me a little further breakdown. It said all of this stuff here. And of course it says, hey, these are pretty old. We have 4,400 people that you need to connect with, but these 77 are the ones that are worth taking action with. So now that I have these, then we come down here. It pulled all the neglected opportunities, as you just saw in my system. Now we're gonna go here and we're gonna paste this next prompt in. So copy, and I go back up here and I hit paste. And if I hit paste twice, it'll show the prompt, so they hit enter. And so here we go, check this out. It says 77 contacts. Now it's gonna run through the whole thing. Here's what it did. It pulled all of the 77 contacts, and here's what it told me to do. This is really, really powerful, right? Because most people don't have this type of insight, and this is why MCP is so valuable. Mark these 8 as lost, right? So you just say, okay, these guys are all lost. Now I can tell GHL and I can tell my MCP to go do this activity for me, and I don't have to do it, so that's nice. Secondly, this is what to do today. These two people, Adrian here and Sally, they're ready. Like, they're ready to actually get moving forward, and we can catch up with them. And probably, so these are the 2 hottest ones that I can close today if I need to close deals right now. Next one is tier 2. There's 14 people in tier 2, and basically here's the name, here's where they're at, here's what happened with them here in the middle, and I can read through each one of these things. I can figure out what's happened with these people, what do I need to do with them to move forward. And then tier 3, this thing also said, this is why it's so awesome, because there's no way you could pull something like this out of your mind. It says these 55 people should be put into a automated drip, right? Like, you should actually send out an entire message. So now we have, basically we go here, what we've done is we've created context around each of these leads. So now we're gonna move to prompt number 3, which is prioritize the pipeline. That's what we want to do next, right? Now let's turn this into a action plan. Sort these into 3 groups based on what you found. So I copy that, I go back over here, I paste this, and then I hit go. Okay, perfect. So check this out. We now have the response. Here is the recent prompt that I put in. Here's the action plan sorted by signal strength based on the conversations that showed. And again, we've got these 2 up at the top, which are definitely winners. We can go through kind of this opportunity with them. We've got Jim and Nicholas and Bruno and all these other guys here. And it tells us exactly where they're at, what status they are. These are warm, engaged, but never committed. There's 37 people. So looking at this one, these are the hot folks that I have. I have 15 folks in my pipeline right now. They're super hot that I should work on today to close these deals, which is great. Next, these are the warm, engaged, but never committed. There's 37 people here. Definitely can close a lot of these warm deals, 37 of them, right? So that's amazing. Basically, it shows me all the names of everybody and all of this data. And now it's asking what to do with each group. So the hot group, personal outreach this week. The warm group, batch re-engagement sequence. So these are the people that are going to one sequence I send. And then the 17 colder ones, we're going to do a mass campaign. And then there's 8 of them I need to close that we are not going to contact any longer. So now we go back to the document. Now we know what we've prioritized by these 3 buckets. We've given our name, list, and everything. The next prompt, we're going to write personalized follow-ups. Okay, so all we have to do this, again, is grabbing this prompt, copy here, go back to Claude, paste that in there. If I hit paste twice, it'll show, and I hit enter. So now you see that these 15 people that were considered hot, the system's actually come back and written a message as if they were me. And so these would be the texts that I would send it right here. And you can see I can go through each one of these, boom, 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 boom. And it tells me a little bit of notes. Adrian and Sally are the strongest. These are the ones that could actually close the deals for us. And then from here, we have one more prompt. Build the automation. That's the last thing that we want to do, right? I'm going to copy this thing here, come over here and drop this one and go wham. And this now has given me exactly what I need to do in my day in order for me to go and close. I got 15 hot opportunities, and then I have another, 52 of them that are potential. 8 of them are no good, and then the rest I can actually work on closing more of those deals. And check this out. I'm so excited about what this thing kicks out every single time. So what it did is it wrote all the copy for both groups, built the email templates in GHL simultaneously, created 6 pieces of copy. This is pretty amazing. This would take anybody a long time, especially if there's a sales professional. So it's given us the full copy to paste. Here's what we need. 37 people had calls, booked appointments, and were former members. They know what FlowChat is. So here is the sequence. Day 1, text message. Day 3, email. Day 7, another text message. To those people who are not the 17 other people, here is the text message, the email, and the text message that I would send to those. And then it comes down and says, here's how to actually build this in GoHighLevel. So if we're going to go build this in GoHighLevel, we create 2 workflows. One of them is re-engage warm, one of them is re-engage cold. And then we go through each of these steps and build them into an automation. In fact, you can use the MCP to build an automation setup like this. In fact, the AI inside of GHL will build the structure for you. But all the writing that AI creates is probably going to need to be reviewed by you anyways. So it's okay to just leave it this way, right? And then we would use a contact tag added. So this would be re-engage warm, re-engage cold. We would add those tags, and then we can come down here, leave it in draft until you have reviewed everything. And then once we have the green light, we can just basically set that up in high level, come back here and say, go.
After seeing that, think about what just happened. A business owner who thought they needed more leads actually just needed visibility. The opportunities were already there. They just couldn't see them. And this is why so many owners stay stuck. They think the problem is lead gen, but the real problem is pipeline management. And the secret? You don't need another funnel. You need a system that remembers what your brain forgets. The businesses winning with AI right now aren't replacing people. No, they're just replacing the manual searching. They're replacing the chaos. They're replacing the memory of the human that was doing the activity. And here's the juice for you. I put every prompt from this video into a free doc down below in the description box. So click the link below. You can grab it right now. And inside it, what you're gonna get is all of the prompts that I just covered, the exact workflow, the exact thing, the sequence that I'm using, the strategy of how to deploy this to get the deal over the line, because that's what's the most important. And I've included a 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel. If you don't have that account yet, click that link, get started with your free trial of GoHighLevel. It gives you 30 days to get things up and running. That's actually double the normal trial period. Plus, you'll get access to the starter snapshot and bootcamp that shows you exactly how to get everything connected. Because honestly, the hardest part isn't running these prompts. The hardest part is finally giving yourself something, a system, that's better than trying to remember everything. Grab the document below and let me know how many forgotten deals Claude finds for you.